One of our friends on YouTube channel asked me to make fancy and pretty effective automated dashboard. So today I'm going to show you how to make a good dashboard. This dashboard can summarize your data or any statistic or any performance as your business show. As you see here, this dashboard example for HSE monthly dashboard or safety dashboard showing all record in monthly basis. For example, starting by date, automated, total manpower, total man hour, and some actions or unsafe actions or conditions with each statistics like a positive or negative. Also safety observations which captured during the work at the workplace, also training hours and injuries records like frequency of lost time and severity. What I want to tell you, you can do like this dashboard as per your request, like profits or like business. Second thing, in this video tutorial, we learn two things. First, how to make the backend data of this dashboard on Excel sheets. Okay. I already prepared this data on Excel sheet, which we can use it for PowerPoint. And second, we'll learn how to design and make the skeleton of this dashboard. Let's start and see how can we link it between Excel and dashboard on PowerPoint. This link shall be automatically. But in this case, we will making linking manually because automatic update of the data needs Visual Basic Codes, and this will be next on other video tutorial. Let's start for first thing how to make it the backend on Excel sheet. Let's see this Excel sheet which we already prepared. As you see here, we'll start the back end of the data on Excel sheet. As you see here, I already divided this Excel sheet. I prepared the data previously. We'll do our charts or our dashboard on certain information like dates and manpowers. As you see, manpower here, I suggest or I recommended three companies. You can make more of three, company A, B, or C, and then you found total of these manpowers as submissions. Also, man hours for each company, you have to insert it here and it give you the total of man hours, leading indicators and lagging indicators. These are performance indicators, but this will not be included in our dashboard. It shall be included on another page of dashboard, but this idea you can be inserted to increase your dashboard also. Here we inserted the unsafe condition or unsafe acts. It's divided to positive and negative, and here we have a summarize for each items. Total of these acts also be used in our dashboard, and this breakdown for these observations, and like work permit, traffic, PPE, and false, and each item has each records, and finally have a total. This for injuries records like each year as a performance it with 2017 till 2020, and severity it is records also related to the injuries, and it is can be inserted also in the chart. And the last one is training our records, and all topics be used in this training like working at heights, working permit, lifting, excavation. This example for using this data, but you can insert what you need. Let's start first by first item which date. Here, this the dates, as we said, it functions equal today, give you the current date. If you want current date, you can say it's function equal today, and between brackets. This is a function of the Excel. Second thing, you have to choose the forms of this date. What type of form you need it, this is up to you. So when we go to the form, I will find here, we'll use this better form, but you can use it like this form or this, up to you. I prefer to use this date form. Then I said, okay. This is the next steps to come through here, which is a tricks which should be used or built on the dashboard above. What is this tricks? Here we can make the date like a chart. We making insert normal chart. For example, we can take it column. We can take normal column chart here, and we remove everything from it, just only the data. Yeah, we remove this. We can take this item, make it delete. Also, making format chart area, filling no fill. Also lines or borders, no lines for border. Also, we call here no fill, no line. The data of this chart can say add data label. This is what we need, date. So also we make no fill to the columns and no line. Now as you see here, the date is single, and this date can automatically update once we change our everyday, once we change the date. Just we resize the date, and we can make it larger here, increase its size, and make it more, for example, 40. Resize, size. This is the main idea of this dashboard, which it use your data and later chart. This is the first thing we did it for the date. We have a chart. We have a chart of the date. Second thing, we have to select our statistics manpower. So we insert another type of a chart. Can insert here. For example, we take this times columns, or yes, take columns. Company A, company B, company C. You can, up to you, leave the axis, just remove chart title, and remove line, delete, and background no fill, here no fill. Remove this here. Only show data label, add data labels on the slide, and border no lines for the border. This second, one more thing to add it here in this chart, we can add it here, the total, if I need the total to be mentioned on the dashboard, and we do the same as we did in the date. So I'll make it now, and I have to increase the speed of the video to save your time. Relax and watch what we are doing. Okay, so now we have manpower already, our data we've used, first chart, and the total manpower. We'll insert it here, put it here too. The same issues, we'll go to man hours, but with different type of chart. We'll show, for example, I can take it man hours, insert, okay, no fill. I can remove this axis, show data, add data label, also no, take no line, no fill, no border, and I have to resize. Okay, and I have to insert it here to be used later for our dashboard. Also, the same total, we can take this like Control D or copy, merge here, chart design, select data, we can use data for total of man hours and save times and so on. Add no fill, show add data label and increase its size like this to be shown in here. Now we have our data already listed. We'll leave leading indicators and lag indicator as I mentioned before. We'll come to unsafe act and conditions. Here we can use it pie chart for percentage, and also here we can use another chart. So for unsafe act or unsafe conditions or any percentages indicator, you can use insert our pie chart. In this trick, you have to see we'll do something better. Sorry, we can select chart, select data. At the beginning, we'll take this to data. Okay, enter this our pie chart. This pie chart is divided to two sections. I'm making duplication for it. You know later why I make it, because to avoid repeat. And the first one, I'll use the positive, and second one, I use the negative. So here we use positive. First, we can remove every data. Come for the negative part, we can go to fill option, or series option, also filling with no fill. Sorry, I have to focus no fill, and also the line no line. Here also can say no line, and the color will be changing what we needed in the dashboard. Also, this first one for positive, remove data chart here, no line, no fill, and we resize it to be like this. This for positive. Also, the records of positive will do as we did before. Can this take this Control D, Control D here, and we select its data, chart design, select the data source, or data here for positive unsafe acts first. Positive, positive here, unsafe act. Enter. Okay. Show data label or add data label. Here no fill, and here we can resize. It's now clear. We put here in the middle So once I change this data, the chart will change and the data chart. For example, if we make it here 200, data changed and the charge also changed, and also the total changed. That's what it's our goals. We come here for the second part will be the same, do the same. So I repeat the video, just sit back and watch what we do. We're making this for negative part. Here we back again. As you see here, we put positive and negative, put it in the middle, increase its size little bit, and so on. Okay, so this section already done, just only the total will do as we make it here. Control D, total number, change data format, change select data, use total, unsafe act, unsafe conditions, just remove, no fill, add data label, and so on. Okay. Next part of these observations is we can use column charts for the actions. We will use all, insert, bar charts, 2 bars. This up to you. You can select or change any chart design up to you as you need. This your dashboard and can do whatever. Just I'm here for showing you or just to give you example, and you can change this parameter also in your this what you need. We want to change here, show data, add data labels. All you can remove these bars here. Also we'll take the total, control D, chart type or chart design, select data. I'll speed up the video for the next two charts to avoid repeating or to avoid boring, and just you relax and watch what we do and be ready to go to the next step. Here we coming to the last step for the Excel preparation backend, which training hours. Insert, take this type, okay, the chart, remove training background, no fill, also here no fill, no fill, no line, no line, and insert the data. Insert shared data label. Okay, this was the first part of the video. Last thing, we can total also training hours. Control D, duplication. We posted here. Just we change the source of data. Select data. Okay, from here. Okay. Data label. No fill, no line. Now our backend Excel sheet is our data is ready. Next step, our next second thing of this video, we will learn how to make the dashboard, which already updated to this backend. Let's go and see how to design this, or how can use link it between these two boards, between Excel and PowerPoint board. Here is our dashboard. At the beginning, we'll start to design its skeletons. We have take a new sheet. We can use circulated rectangle. Okay, this stops, and we can yes, let's decrease its size a little bit, 6.5. Okay. Modify here. Select the color will be black color, black. Shape outline, no outline. Give it shadow, shadow. We'll use this type of shadow. Increase the distance more 5. Control D. Take another section here. Okay, Control E, and make alignment. Yes, this is the first things. Second, take Control E, can put one here for the date. E aligned. We'll use background, select format background, gradient fill, as we here. Take linear, another stop, this red, then pink, can use color pink, and here is orange. A dashboard. Second, we'll insert each section or each data which we referred. We can put another columns for first sections. Shape outline. Outline. Use its color. Solid fill. Make this color. D, Control D. Change color. This is the head of each items will be used. Align here. Control G and Control D duplication to make it. Okay, now it's our dashboard ready to accept all data. First, we'll group this. Control G for grouping. Also here, Control G, and here for grouping, Control G. Okay, coming to the insertion of the items, insert text items. For our dashboard, insert text here and say date. We use font Oswald, font, and bold and white color. The same here. This. We'll repeat this step for all order, just I speed up the video till we finish. Here we did all heading. Just forget this total. We'll insert the icons. Icons I already listed here. You take it, all these icons. Icons can select it from insertion here from PowerPoint icons, or we can insert it from any previous on internet or like something like this. Just to give this color graphics color, can make it shadow. Okay, we put it total man hours here, date here, unsafe acts conditions here. We have positive, we have negative, also observation, safety observations, training. Try to make your icon indicated your severity. Sorry, Control Z, and injured lost time injuries. Maybe total man hours. And total man hours. Sorry. Async, Control D, take here, main heading, HSE, for safety, monthly dashboard. This is your title, and you can increase it, cover this portion. Shape, shadow. Okay. Let's insert the data here. As you see here, this is the skeleton or the main skeleton of our dashboard. Just only we insert the data which already linked with Excel and will be updated. First, we have to go to the date and go to Excel sheets. What is the steps? Here, this is our chart. Just only we'll take it as a copy, Control C, and we paste it in each place. Here, the date as Control V. Here, our date. Just change the color, change the size, make it bold, Oswald, and align. Okay, and align to the line. Can increase it more to be 16 or 18. We can change color to be the orange, mainly to be orange. This for that. Once our date or daily update coming, this date will be changed automatically to the Excel sheet. You need just only making refresh chart design, refresh your data. Your data will be changed as we'll see later. Total manpower, we select also the charge of the first. We'll take in this manpower. Control C, Control V, put it here, color, bold, Oswald, increase the size to be 16 or 18, up to you. Be visible, and this total manpower will be updated. As we see here in Excel sheet, this number 730, for example, company A, be 150, now manpower 780, we go to our board, manpower 780, change it automatically. Okay, second step will take man hours chart. We'll go here, Control E, here, okay, modify the colors, modify size, so make white colors also y-axis, and company can remove this, can up to you, you can remove it, you can leave it, this up to you. I prefer to leave it to be indicated. Here we come here to colored or change the shape of the columns. Previous in the video before we making this, I learned you as a video for simple column designs. We'll take the same here to have a good previous column. We take copy of this, Control C, and then when I come back to, for example, this columns, just I making filling, fill, go to pattern, okay, picture style, and clipboard. Here, as you see, this and so second one, go here, Control C, filling, picture and the fill. Third one, Control C, fill, picture or text fill, clipboard fill. Just I come to this chart, make setting, this area, primary axis, series overlap, I can decrease the overlap, okay, gap width also to be decreased to have more axis. Okay. This for the chart, you have nice and fancy chart. We can go to the next items or next dashboard, total manpowers, also the same. First I take the manpowers and so on, so that I make it quick video to avoid time. So finally now we go to the last two things. First we take it LTI F. Okay, this chart we have to resize this chart, change its color, white, and we add format data series. Sorry, add data labels here. It was missed first time. Okay, and we can modify its color, make it gradient line. Up to you. Change the line color. Here are few mini stoppers here. You can take it first one, second one red, third one orange, and here orange, light orange. Okay, this for lost time injuries, and last chart, our severity will be inserted here also. Now, absolutely, most of the all charts on our dashboard already uh, listed. You can, as I mentioned in the beginning, you can make it uh, any dashboard as you like. You can increase this time of slides for dashboard to be fit with your required data. Okay, change color here. Can make it one color, pink color, and we take legend here. This is so on. So this is the last thing in our dashboard. As you see here, this is our dashboard. Now we'll see how to update this dashboard. Sorry, here few lines. You have line here. No fill. No lines. Let's show you how this dashboard can be updated or changed for last thing. This last things Excel sheet. We can make a comparison. PowerPoint and Excel. As we see here on the left side, close this left side. In our backend data in Excel sheet also on right side and left side our dashboard. If we changed any data here, for example company A to be for example 300, then total will be changed, and here the data will be changed. Company C for example 500, so data be sent to 100 2000. Here data will be changed to time. Can we Our data will be changed as data in Excel sheet, modified or updated. This manual, or you can say manual update or manual change it. Positive 300. You see here chart already changed to 300 and also change it. First important thing, when you close the Excel sheet, then you reopen again, the dashboard will not be updated automatically. This is the third section, which will be explained later in another video. We'll make it up. But at this time, you have to go to your data and chart design and making refresh for each design. The data will be changed directly. I hope we introduced. This was our lessons today, our hearing today about monthly dashboard. It was about HAC for technical people who are concerned about safety. You can also make any dashboard like this for your business, for your training, for your schools, whatever. Anyway, this dashboard will be inserted in websites, Softgrams. The link, download link will be found below. It's free. And for any comments or any observations related to this dashboard or any clarification, please don't hesitate to write a comment. Last things, as you know, your likes or comments is very important to us, to support us, sometimes to improve our free learning for each one, to ensure everything or data reach to everyone who want to learn something like this. Please don't forget to make like or subscribe to our channel to follow up and have more. Thank you for your watching, and thank you for listening, and see you later in the next video. Bye.